I wanted to show you this project and show you how it's made. So if you want to make something like this, this video should be enough. If not, let me know. Leave a comment. I can always do a full tutorial on how to do this and create some templates. I have some templates for this I can also give you. This is going to be in my upcoming cardboard projects book. But here, take a look. It's a puzzle box. And the name of this puzzle box is When the Cat is Away, the Mice Will Play. So you can't open it unless you know the secret to how to open it. And this is the secret. When the cat is away, so the first thing you have to do is slide the cat up and then pull the cat away. Then the mice will play. So you move the mice in, and that's it. Now you can open the puzzle box. Really very simple. Important thing here is these two sliders. So I'll show you what happens here. I'm going to set it as if it were in the box. So what happens is the cat has this platform, see? And it doesn't allow the mice to slide in. So the mice lock the box. You can't remove the cover, right? Let me do this. So, but when you remove the cat like this, you slide the cat up and then remove the cat. Now the sliders can slide, the mice can play, see? So that removes these tabs out of the box, just like that. And then you can take that cover out and have the box. Really simple. One box plus a little bit of extra cardboard. So you can, make it. And that's it. But I love cardboard projects. I love cardboard boxes and, how to make stuff with them. So if you make this project, let me know. Send me a picture. I will send you a certificate of contribution. Let's lock it back up. Put the cat back in. And that's it. Now you can't open the box. Fun project. Give me a comment. If you have creative ideas for cardboard boxes, leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up if you like this project or you like this video.